Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about testing Laravel in an efficient way. Let's start. Here in my controller I have two endpoints, show and update. As you can see, show displays or return JSON with post, and update also updates and returns the updated post. So here fill is equal to post, right? Title, for example, and request title, and the same thing like that, body, right? And then save, post, save. But what if I forget about save and continued my test? We will see. So filled equal to these two lines, and it converted the validated data to array using request validated, and here's my request, right? I am just validating title and body, right? So here in my test, or firstly in my endpoint here, I created this to root inside api.php, and here is my posts table, user id, title, body, and boolean active or not, likes, dislikes, and also I have my post factory to create fake data without adding it manually, right? Back to our post test class again, and here I created a user, and then I created a post using factory and overrided these three values. User ID is the user ID, and title hello world, body thanks for watching, right? Now I want to update this post, so our root name here is post.update, and it takes a parameter post, right? So here our URI equal to root, and it's posts.update. Is it posts or post? Just post, and parameter is post. We can pass it directly, right? And now I will add my response or test endpoint equal to this, and acting as this user. Actually I didn't create middleware authentication, just for quickly, and I will say put JSON, because here I created put method, right? And put JSON, it will set header automatically application slash JSON, right? And first parameter is our link, and I want to update this post title, right, to new title, and body equal to just test, right? Here I created it manually because just for making it clear, right? So here is for that user, I will make it first. And what if we depend only on response status like that? Response assert OK, which means assert it returns 200 and success, right? And if we try to test it using a vendor here, or PHP unit, vendor bin PHP unit, it returns success, but I didn't save data here, right? So here is the first problem. You must not depend only on the response status, right? So also we must test that assert database has here our database first parameter, our table name, and column. Assert that this post ID here, right, and its title is equal to updated value, right, here. And let's test it again, back, retest. Now we received the error. Here is our error message, field asserting that post ID title 1 here, ID 1, title new title, but he found similar result 1, and the title is hello world, still not updated, right? Here is the old value. So here, yeah, I forget, so I must add save here, right? Back again, rerun our test. Now all is green, right? If you notice here also, I am returning the updated post in the end of function, right? So let's test it also using here response, this one, response, and we can use method assert JSON path, right? And here we can dump our result. This one, let's comment it using dump, and we can look here. It returns post, right? And ID with all posts attribute. So I want to test it returns post dot title equal to new title also, right? So we can do it easily here, and our key is post, right? Dot title, for example, and I expect it's equal to new title, right? Back again, refresh, and it works. Let's remove dump, and again it works, right? We can also test structure or JSON structure. JSON structure, assert JSON structure, and it has keys like title and also like user ID and maybe body and likes, for example, right? Now let's retry it, and we have an error. The error here is because we must add it like that. It returns here's array and post and then posts keys, so it must be here like that. Array, we'll wrap it with array. Here our key is post, right? This one. Let's rerun it again, and now it works. It has these keys. What if we hide likes, for example, using hidden? Back to my post, right? And use protected hidden equal to likes. Back and refresh, retest. Now he says failed asserting that array has the key likes because we hide it here, right? Here is some advices about writing better test. Support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video.